I really want to point you in the right direction as far as positioning yourselves is concerned. Now, the next coming 3 to 6 months is going to be very crucial. So, positioning is going to play a key role with regards to your profitability. If you want to make more than 1,000 Solana, 2,000 Solana, watch the whole entire episode. Remember, in yesterday's episode, we talked about the fact that nothing dramatic and drastic is going to happen to the cryptocurrency markets, at least for the next 3 to about 6 months. So we are safe in the next 3 months. The only thing that you're supposed to be doing is understanding how to play the game. How do you position yourselves? Where are you supposed to be looking? Which places are the best places that are going to give you the most lucrative trading opportunities? Of course, we're going to concentrate on meme coins because a lot of you guys obviously understand the amazing opportunities that meme coins are able to offer us, and this is one of the reasons why you are always grinding on a daily basis. So all the links and necessary websites that you need to sort of have are going to be in the description box below. Without further ado, class is in session. As we predicted yesterday, pretty much everything is going up, and right now it really looks like a lot of these coins are going to be having breakouts towards the upside. The price of BTC is close to 100,000 US dollars, and I know for a fact there's a lot of shorts out there in comparison to longs, right? The number of people longing in comparison to the number of people shorting, it's way very unbalanced, and this is one of the reasons why we're going to see the price really do very well in the next coming 3 months. So like I kept on mentioning, we are safe to trench on a daily basis. The price of Solana is 155 US dollars. Therefore, we are most likely going to end up breaking towards the upside because this is a clear bullish flag. And, personally speaking, I really hate bullish flags and all these cliche type of trading terminologies. What I usually look out for is obviously the volume. Right now, the volume is obviously really increasing at a very fast pace, and there's a likelihood that we're going to have massive upsides, and we are bound to see the price of Solana shoot up 30 to about 50%. So that is bound to happen. If this happens, obviously, trading on Axiom Pro is going to be very lucrative. Trenching on a daily basis, having access to your pulse is obviously going to be very lucrative. You're going to be able to see a lot of good opportunities as far as new pairs, finestration migrated is concerned. So obviously, as you can see, the first platform that you need to get familiar with yourselves are obviously, or rather is Axiom Pro. So Axiom Pro is a very good platform that allows you to trade and discover a lot of meme coins. They also have perpetuals, so you're easily able to switch back and forth and just basically be able to be in USD Tether and also switch back into Solana and trade a lot of these meme coins. So overall, you need to have Axiom Pro on your trading portfolio, on your trading arsenal. This is a website that you're supposed to be looking at on a daily basis. On a daily basis, come to the Discover page and figure out what has been trending so that you can overall get a feel of the markets and understand what the current meta is. Okay, so in case you guys are not really part of Axiom Pro, check out the link in the description box below. I'm gonna be able to give you the best, lowest trading fees, and you guys are going to have a very good time trading on Axiom Pro. So use my referral link. The comment, or rather the link, is in the description box below or the comment section box below. The second platform that you are supposed to get familiar with is obviously Virtual's protocol. So a few days ago, right, roughly 3 days ago, or rather should I say 2 days ago, I told you that the price of Virtual's protocol was going to go down and you were supposed to buy it lower. So now if we take a look at the price and the performance of Virtual's protocol, first of all, if you guys followed my advice, you would have stayed out of the bad trade because the price did end up retracing as we accurately predicted 30%. And if you followed that, right, you would have bought the bottom and you could have been up 20% today. You could have made a 20% price profit on an altcoin, which is like a very highly expensive altcoin. So this is one of the reasons why we've been doing this for a very long period of time. We understand how the markets go. So if you guys go back to my YouTube video, if you watch it and understand clearly, I told you to wait for a 30% price drop. So if we go back to Virtual's protocol and we see the level at which it dropped, and basically the amount of money that you could have saved if you didn't FOMO, like I predicted, that was like literally a 30%, close to a 30%, 28% price drop. Okay, so if you entered right on our target levels, you would have done very well. So now that you bought Virtual's protocol, I'm assuming you guys bought it cheaper. Remember, we didn't FOMO. We kept our composure, and basically we waited for the right opportunity to strike. If you did that right, you would have bought in, or rather you would have bought a lot of Virtual's tokens. These Virtual's tokens are going to be very crucial, especially on your journey on app.virtuals.io, which has got the Genesis Launchpad. So the second platform that you're supposed to get familiar with and grind on a daily basis as far as positioning yourself is concerned is app.virtuals.io. So this website requires you to have points, virgin points as they refer to them. So these points are going to allow you to be able to participate in a lot of meme coin launches. So in order for you to accumulate these points, these are the several different ways that you can get to earn them. There's the trencher points, there's the virtual points, there's a Veda staking, there's a diamond hand bonus points as well. So whenever you pledge your points, you're going to be able to participate in the Virtuals Genesis Launchpad, which has got many opportunities. This particular platform is going to make a lot of millionaires, believe you me. So this is one of the reasons why I was giving you that technical analysis and just basically giving you the gameplay. And at this particular moment, I am assuming those of you who follow my YouTube channel religiously, you guys are already in the game, because everything that I talk about is very it's not really a coincidence. When I talk about stuff, I know how it is impactful, and I know how to play the end game. So this is one of the reasons why I told you to wait for that 30% price drop, which happened. And I assume you've got Virtuals protocol, so make your Virtuals tokens work on the Virtuals app, and you guys are going to be good. So on a daily basis or on a regular basis, get familiar with the platform, understand what really works here, understand which platforms are going to be launched that have got the highest probability of doing very well. If you get good at this, you're going to find a few outliers that are really going to end up pumping, and you're going to end up making a whole lot of money. So this is platform number 2 that you need to get familiar with, and you also need to work your way to earning a lot of virgin points so that you can maximize your earning potential as far as the launches are concerned. So there's a lot of, it's a new world on its own. There's a lot of different stuff here. There's sentient agents, there's prototypes, and there's also a new protocol called agent commerce. Okay, so if you go into this and you really understand the concept very fast, you guys are going to be way ahead of everybody, because everybody is late. You guys who watch my YouTube channel religiously, you are never going to be ever late when it comes to these new developments and whatnot. So get familiar with the whole ecosystem, with the culture, and you guys are going to do very well. Okay, so now let's go on to platform number 2. So platform number 2 right now is being hammered. It's really being it's really literally being killed right now. Okay, so what you're supposed to do is get familiar with PoliticalPump. So basically the concept of PoliticalPump is a fair launch type of platform. So in the near future, there's going to be derivatives of this website. There's going to be, I don't know, there's going to be some other concept which is going to be introduced, and when that happens, you have to get in early. So basically we had the first wave of PoliticalPump, and a lot of people made a lot of money. So right now we're having a correction, and this is one of the reasons why a lot of these coins are really being killed. A lot of them are really losing a whole lot of value, like at a very fast pace. It's not even even funny at this particular moment. But you know, we do not really know what's going to happen, whether it's going to survive or not. But this is the risk that we take, especially when it comes to creating opportunities for ourselves. Personally, I'm buying these dips. I'm religiously epping in, conservatively speaking, because I've got my risk analysis sort of figured out. So this is one of the reasons why I wouldn't advise everybody to like go crazy when it comes to these you know, to political pump. Be very conservative. Make sure whatever you put in, you are willing to lose, because anything can happen. However, if the second wave comes back, then obviously we're going to make a lot of money, because we're really buying a lot of these projects at a very, very cheap price. So in order for you to maximize political pump and be able to position yourselves in a lot of these projects, you need a tool such as Sniperoo. So basically, Sniperoo allows you to have the best you know, slippage. It's very fast. You're obviously going to get a lot of these projects way discounted, at way discounted price in comparison to you know, you just using your phantom wallet. So if you are going to be participating on political pump, make sure you get Sniperoo. Make sure you get Sniperoo, configure it on your browser, and make sure you have the right settings. I've done a lot of videos about Sniperoo on my YouTube channel. Basically, this thing really helps me play the game. And Sniperoo not only works on sites like Political Pump, it also works on sites like Discord, it works on Twitter. So if you guys really want to snipe a lot of these projects that have got contract addresses, you can easily get in using Sniperoo. So once you add it, make sure you add the extension right over here, and make sure you sort of get to use the extension, because in here you can easily configure all your transaction settings. Now the transaction settings are going to be very important. So these are the settings that I have. Slippage is about 20%, because I really do not want to have like a lot of slippage, because that really allows me to like lose a lot of money. So in terms of my jitter tip level, I have it on well, and the maximum jitter tip is about 0.001. So these settings are very adjustable depending on the situation. So usually on pump, political pump, right, they usually have launches where you need to snipe and get in early. So right now there's no upcoming token launches. So what usually happens is there's a little bit of competition. You need to get in early. The goodness about Sniperoo is it is extremely fast, and you know, you are able to get in earlier than a lot of people. So it gives you like a very good opportunity to have the best, cheapest price possible. So this is one of the reasons why Sniperoo is something that I really love using. Moreover, Sniperoo works very well with Axiom trade. If you're trading on Axiom, for example, you just click on any coin, you're going to see the box, the Sniperoo box, that can really allow you to sort of get in and get out. And the goodness about Sniperoo is it's a very customizable type of platform that allows you to do quite a number of stuff. You can have your trading strategy where you sort of you know, put your take profit levels. You can put automatic, or rather automated take profit levels. And Sniperoo also has a trading stop loss, and a static stop loss. So I'm not really going to dive into Sniperoo. Overall, if you are serious about trading meme coins and really making a lot of money, especially if you are involved in the Solana ecosystem, Sniperoo is a must-have. So my referral link is going to give you the best transaction fees, and you're overall going to be able to save a lot of money. So check it out in the comment section below as well. So remember, if you're going to be sniping meme coins on Twitter, anywhere else, Sniperoo is going to work very well. So Political Pump is a third platform that you're supposed to get familiar with. Now the fourth one is something that I'm just diving into. So this one is obviously Bittensor, and the Bittensor ecosystem is very vast because they've got like subnets. So if you compare the Virtuous protocol, market cap is around 1.6 fully diluted valuation, while the Bittensor one is around 8.3 billion US dollars. So in comparison to Virtuous protocol, right, Virtuous protocol has it's just starting to take off. Like there's a lot of opportunity because it's very undervalued and people are gravitating towards it and whatnot. But when it comes to the Bittensor ecosystem, it's a little bit more mature. Right now, as you can see, it's on rank number 37 in comparison to Virtuous Protocol, which is rank number 92. So when it comes to the Bittensor, we are obviously seeing a lot of subnets starting to get a lot of traction. So these guys are basically in the AI realm, and they're trying to sort of tackle the AI niche as well. So there's a lot of stuff that you need to get into. I'm not really going to dive deep into this one, but I know for a fact that there are a lot of subnets that are going to be very lucrative. So as you can see here, there's a hierarchy of the best performing subnets, and these are all related to the AI niche. So remember, this bull run is AI related, because there's obviously DeepSeek, there's ChatGPT, there's a whole lot of buzz around the AI niche, and I really believe that Taostats and Bittensor Tao is obviously going to be a very good area to position ourselves. So I have given you about Axiom Pro, Virtuous Protocol, PoliticalPump, and Bittensor. I've given you 4 platforms that can potentially make you a whole lot of money. Okay, so if you position yourself properly in these different arenas, then you guys are obviously going to do very well. So yeah, please let me know in the comment section below what you really think about what to do and my explanation. So are you guys engraved in these particular platforms? Do you think we stand a very good chance of making a whole lot of money? So in case you guys have got any other platforms that are equally lucrative, please let me know in the comment section below and we will pick it up from there. So thank you very much. Remember, if you are watching to this very end, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button as well, drop your comments as well, because they really help me sort of get feedback from you, and I really want to be at your service and provide you with the most interesting, valuable, and educational content that will be of use to you. So yeah, that's all I had for you. It's your boy Muna, aka CRYPTOHYPE. Thank you very much. Oh, and please do not forget to check out my Telegram group. It's a public Telegram group where I tell you what I'm doing in real time, so you definitely need to be part of my public Telegram group. And by the end of the month, okay, the end of May is going to be like a very powerful May for my community. So it's going to be a very powerful month. So I really want you guys to get engraved in my community, because I've got a lot of big opportunities for you guys, and you're going to really make a whole lot of money. So this is one of the reasons why you need to be part of my Telegram group, because the people on my Telegram group are the ones that are going to have access to the information, the good news, the good money making news that I have for you at the end of May. So yeah, check it out. Link is also going to be in the description or the comment section below. So talk to you a little bit later. You guys have been awesome. Bye.